All right, so I'm done annotating and I've pretty much kind of made a mess here, but I'm sure yours will look really, really nice. So once I'm done annotating and I'm going to let's say I want to turn in my assignment to my teacher, I'm going to do one last little save here. You can never save too much. And then what we're going to do is we are going to download our Kami file as a PDF. So on your toolbar, I'm going to show you another icon here. It's this one. When you hover over that, you're going to get this download option. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this window is going to pop up. And probably it's going to start off being yellow on this first one. So it's going to ask you, how do you want to export it? Well, I'm going to export it to my computer first. That's one option that you have. Now we could export it to Google Drive, but that would probably be just an extra step that we really don't need if we're going to turn in the assignment right now. So I'm going to leave it on computer, but it is this middle one that we're going to want to click on. We want the PDF with the annotations, meaning the markings that we did. So I'm going to click this middle one, and when I'm not hovering over it, you can see that it's yellow. And I'm going to have all pages downloaded. So then I click the green button here that says Begin Export. And it's going to do some processing. Now this next step is very important. You're going to get the Save File As window. And I'm going to make a recommendation to you as soon as it pops in. Just taking a moment. There it comes. Okay. Now, on my computer, I usually like to have my download folder clicked. This is where pictures get downloaded to. It's just kind of a temporary thing. If it's something that I really want to keep, I will direct it to something in my Google Drive. But for this, this works just fine for me. So I'm going to have make sure downloads is clicked. And then down here, you're going to see that it says we're exporting it as a PDF. So remember, it was in that, let's see if I can show you that. It's a little hard to see, but it was in that SPR file, which will be important, and I'll show you that in the next tutorial. But we're going to export it or change it into a PDF document. So here's the part that's real important right here. I want you to make sure that you take off everything except the .pdf, and I would recommend just renaming it. I'm just going to rename it Temperley Elements of a Map, but I'm going to leave that .pdf extension on there and then click Save. And I already practiced this, so I'm just going to say, yeah, replace that. All right, so it's going to download it, and you'll get the little download window when that's done. If you want to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to tap that little pop-up window there. And then what I'm looking at here is that downloaded file as a PDF. And it's in my download folder, and now it's ready to attach in Infinite Campus.